Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2022 model Toyota Veloz V, top of the line. 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 12K kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, with service booklet, plate ending 2, 7-seater, touchscreen display, daylight running light, reverse camera and sensor, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Free transfer of ownership, cash price, 978,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 232,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2015) model Ford Escape SE, 1.6-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 37K kilometers mileage, first owned, well-maintained, plate ending 3, central locking system, all power, all original, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 488,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 93,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2017) model Honda City VX, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 66K kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, plate ending 8, keyless entry, touchscreen head unit, econ mode, reverse camera, auto climate control, spare key fob, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 528,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 108,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. 2021 model Ford Territory Trend, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 59k kilometers mileage, first owner, casa maintained, plate ending 8, keyless entry, panoramic sunroof, leather seats, touchscreen head unit, spare key fob, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Free transfer of ownership, cash price, 698,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 166,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2019 model Toyota Innova G, 2.8-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 62k kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, touchscreen radio, central locking system, SRS airbag, side visor, reverse sensor, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Free transfer of ownership, cash price, 928,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 247,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2019 model MG RX5, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 16k kilometers mileage with records, first owner, well-maintained, push start, leather seats, touchscreen radio, steering controls, central locking system, reverse camera and sensor, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Free transfer of ownership, free auto loan assistance, cash price, 598,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 131,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.